Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a lotion can't double duty as a body hydrator? The Olay Super Serum flips that notion on its head. Data whisper the 24-hour promise isn't hype. A handful of testers reported skin staying supple from morning coffee to late-night Netflix, a clear signal of lasting moisture. The texture slides on like a veil. The bottle, a generous 18.5 fluid ounces, last week's, leaving no greasy residue, which explains why the batch praised the soft wood and sweet vanilla aroma as a subtle spa cue rather than an overpowering perfume. Patterns show a brightening effect after a week, with firmer, luminous patches emerging on elbows and knuckles, proof that the 5+ ingredient complex works. Verdict: anyone who juggles a busy schedule yet refuses to compromise on smooth, radiant skin will find this 30-second apply miracle a perfect fit.